Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can remove your credit card from your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find your games and applications. If you go right here to the game library, you're gonna find all of your games that are installed. Right here, you're gonna find your collection and also your PlayStation Plus games. So right now, I'm gonna go back and right here, if you go to the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. So just go ahead and click on PlayStation Store. Then right here, you're gonna be in the store. So basically guys, once you're here, you can buy any game that you want. And in the top, you're gonna find the sections. Right here, you're gonna find recent release, collections, sales, subscriptions, and browse. And here on the right, you're gonna find search. Right here, you're gonna find your wish list, your cart, and here you're gonna find some other options. If you click on other, right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your payment methods, user code, subscriptions. Here you're gonna find history of transactions, and right here you're gonna find payment settings. So right now, go ahead and click on payment method, and then right here, if you already have a payment method right here, you will be able to remove it. As you can see guys, in my case, I still don't have any payment method yet, but if you want to add it, you can add it from here. You can use your PayPal, you can pay with your mobile, or you can use your credit card. If you already have your payment method right here, you're gonna find it, just go ahead and click on it, and then you're gonna be able to remove it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.